Hello everybody, welcome to my another vlog. Today vlogs will be on full to on English. I don't know that how blah blah that how can I will speak English, but today's vlog will be on English. And guys, this English will be Rafael's English, not American, not British, but this English will be on Rafael's English. And if I will speak Hindi, then I have to do 50 push-up and 50 sit-ups, or I have to delete my this YouTube's vlogging channel. And guys, today we are going to Arik Colony, and in Arik Colony we will be discover that how buffaloes, and that we will be doing boating at Chota Kashmir. This vlog will be on full to on English. This will be on full to on Mazze. Yasin, do you want to come in my vlog? Yeah. Here is my buddy Yasin. His Instagram link is in description. You can go there. You can check out his link, and you can follow him also, and follow me also, Rafael.Raza on Instagram. And here. We are going from here. So let's go. See you now. Thank you. Here's our ticket. What? Chelte? Let's go there. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm also so excited with him. Let's do boating. Yup. अरे हाँ, yes bro. या बहन
अगर यहाँ पर स्कूबा डाइविंग तो मत।
हाँ कशा
इधर आ राकेश, इधर आ।
कहाँ?
जिल्ला नहीं।
हाँ ले
कितना टाइम?
This is whole, guys. This is whole this pond, I think, and we are here boating. We have to only do pendle. We have to do only pendles. Oh भाई पैर धोने चालू हो गए यासीन. हाँ गाइस. वो यासीन मारना यार भाई. And I have to do 50 push-ups and 50 sit-ups. I know. Oh shit. My legs. My legs are gone. My whole legs are gone. We are here at boating here, and our legs are totally. Oh shit! Mask gaya. My mask is gone, guys. My mask. Fucking shit. Oh shit. My mask is gone, guys, and I am having no mask now. And guys, if a person is not wearing a mask, he has to pay 200 fine. 200 rupees fine from police, and my mask is gone. I don't know what is going on here. I don't take this, guys. I can't take this. Bhai, badak. There's a duck. Let's go. I can't take this, man. My mask is gone. So messing around. Good ducks, guys, ducks. What are you doing, man? Calm down, buddy. Calm down. We are handling this boat like this. From this, for right we are going this, for left we are doing this. Sorry. And there are the ducks, and there is beautiful scene.
Guys, welcome back to another gameplay video.
हाँ दर्द बहुत दे रहा, ऊपर से ये सूरज, ऊपर से ये सीन. हाँ माय लेग्स so all fucked up. Sorry for guys, sorry. In faint flow. Oh shit. There is this is legs exercising. If anyone has to do a leg exercising,
आराम से मार.
so he has to come here. Where? In Chota Kashmir for boating. His legs will be like zoop. I can't speak English because my English is not good. My Hindi, I want to speak English, Hindi, yaar. I want to speak Hindi. Why you are giving me such a challenge, yaar? My whole life is ruined up. I want to speak Hindi. Hindi is my राष्ट्रीय भाषा.
आराम से मार. जरा आराम से जा. अपन तो बहुत ही बिल्ला जा रहे हैं.
अबे अपन बिल्ला क्या भाई? My mask is gone there. My whole mask. So guys, I will do 50 push-ups and 50 sit-ups, but I am speaking Hindi now. I am fed up of English. Guys, मेरा मास्क साला उधर गिर गया है. मैं इधर सीन बस ऐसे शूट करने जा रहा था और मेरा मास्क उड़ के चले गया. अभी मेरे को 200 रुपया फाइन देना पड़ेगा यार. क्या जिंदगी चल रही है मेरी. बोला था ना यार. इधर लेना थोड़ा. अबे लड़कियों के पास चल.
क्या है बिल्ला.
लड़कियों के पास.
आराम से. कोई कहीं नहीं. आराम से मार.
हाँ इट्स ऑल फेड अप. लड़कियों के पास चलना भाई, मजे आएंगे. हाँ oh shit, my legs are ruined up and English is not coming in my mouth. Oh shit man, I'm fed up guys, I'm fed up.
This is very nice.
Yeah, Yasin bhai is also doing vlog. This is very nice guys, this is very nice and I don't know a single word after that. Oh shit man, oh shit. Let's do some photography guys, let's do some photography. Go there, let's go there. My English is all ruined up. I'm speaking Hindi because I can't speak English and I have to accept that. I am a lobra. I am lobra. I am a sucked londa guys, I am a sucked londa. I am a Zakir Khan. सख्त लौंडा कि कभी नहीं पिघलता है. जो मैं 50 पुशअप करने वाला हूँ गाइस. अल्लाह मेरे को ताकत दे जो भी हो. और 50 बार उठक बैठक करना है. कान में उंगली पकड़ के, नहीं उंगली में कान पकड़ के. अरे क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं. समथिंग व्हाट यासीन कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट इट. देयर इज लिटिल चिकन ऑफ स्वैंस. English. If any Britannian people is watching me, I am very very sorry guys. हाँ मार.
मच्छर देख.
अरे रे मच्छर भाई. ले हाँ ले. अरे ए भाई स्वैन का बच्चा, बेबी स्वैन. इस तरफ ले थोड़ा. ले इस तरफ ले बोट को थोड़ा इस तरफ ले भाई. हाथ से इस तरफ लेना.
लग गए.
अरे इस तरफ ले और मार पेंडल मार. इस तरफ ले और पेंडल मार. Guys, our boat is stuck. Titanic wala scene. But there is no Rose. Only Jack is there. Oh, Titanic. Our boat is crashing, guys. There is no Rose. There is only Jack. I'm sorry, Mom, if you are watching. I'm really sorry. I don't want to speak this. I'm really sorry, Mom. Or Dad. Mom, I'm really sorry if you are watching. If only my family members is only watching. I'm really sorry. I don't want to say that. There is no Rose in my life. There is no Jack in my life. I am Rafil. I will be Rafil. But the swan is gone far away from us. आज हमारी पावती बनने वाली है 200 रुपये की, क्योंकि मेरे मास्क समंदर के अंदर चले गए. समंदर बोला तालाब के अंदर. पावती तो बनने वाली है, क्योंकि अगर मैं कहीं घूमने जाता और बिना पावती ना बनाऊँ तो मेरी ज़िंदगी कैसे चलेगी, है ना. दुनिया है ही मेरी ऐसी.
पास मार.
Oh, after this, I am going to do this. I will do this because I am not having any strength now. I will do this only. I will do this only.
मारना.
हाँ अरे भाई पैरों में ताकत नहीं बची है. So guys, let's talk to someone. Let's talk to a random person. Guys, उस तरफ लेके चल, उस तरफ लेके चल. बात करते पब्लिक से बात करते. पब्लिक से बात करते. हाँ, पब्लिक से बात करते ना, लेके चल उस तरफ.
क्या?
हेलो सर. सर कुछ ब्लॉग के लिए कुछ बोलना चाहोगे? कश्मीर का राफेल ब्लॉग है नाम, चैनल का नाम राफेल ब्लॉग. हाय बोल दो ना सर बस. हाय है. हेलो. सो गाइस, दिस आर द पीपल्स जो हमारे साथ है इधर. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब.
कितने बजे तक आने वाला था उसने?
मेरे को भी नहीं पता, 4 राउंड कुछ तो बोला था. अरे चलना भाई, जितना
4
भी.
राउंड.
4 राउंड नहीं, क्या पता कभी तक तो कुछ तो बोला था. लेट मी सी द टिकट गाइस, दैट एट व्हाट टाइम वी हैव टू गो.
बता.
4:30, 4:12 से 4:32 तक. कितना बज रहा है?
4:28 हो रहा है, 30 हो रहा है.
हाँ तो और 4 मिनट है ना, 5 मिनट है. गाइस वी आर हैविंग मोर 4-5 मिनट्स. एंड व्हाट इज द टिकट प्राइस? 60 रुपये हुआ. द टिकट प्राइस वाज 60 फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस. आई डोंट नो इट्स प्रीटी मच गुड और बैड. Can you please comment me and say me that if the price is good or bad? Because I think the price is okay. Yeah, you can comment and say us that the price is good or bad.
कितनी बार कमेंट करना बोलेगा?
Lot of people are voting here.
गटर का पानी आ रहा है उधर से.
हाँ, ये बोलना ज़रूरी था. ये बोलना ज़रूरी था. वो यासीन भाई सेइंग गटर वाटर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम देयर. ये बोलना ज़रूरी था यासीन भाई.
Look at this. This is very cheap and
से यासीन से. दिस इज वेरी चीप एंड
this is very cheap.
cheap tricks. Yasin, my English is both English is.
Because this water is very harmful for bodies. There is a
Who is going to drink this water? Are we going to drink this water? No.
No, but she is skin touch in her skin. There are harmful skin diseases. Many more. That water is very harmful for.
Yeah, Yasin bhai, I understand your concern, man. I understand your concern, man. This water is harmful. Don't come to this water. This water is harmful. Yasin is said that.
I'm not that say. This is harmful, not. This is a very cheap trick. क्या कहाँ से गिर रहा है? दिख रहा नहीं मेरे को. वो बम्बू है.
पानी.
बम्बू लग रहा मेरे को तो.
बम्बू नहीं है भाई, पानी है. क्या बम्बू? भाई ब्लॉग चल रहा है भाई, रिकॉर्ड हो रही है सब चीज़.
Where is coming from water in this lake?
Yasin, can you please?
तो गंदा पानी है तो. गंदे पानी क्या बोलते हैं? Look at this.
Harmful water.
This is harmful water for humans and animals. This is not coming in. क्या पहाड़ में बोलते हैं? कट कर देना. This is not coming in. क्या बोलते हैं?
नहीं पता भाई, हमें खुद इंग्लिश नहीं आती है.
अबे पहाड़ को किसको बोलते हैं?
हमें किसी ने चैलेंज दे दिया है और उस इंसान की ख्वाहिश अभी बहुत अच्छे से पूरी हो रही होगी.
पहाड़ को क्या बोलते हैं? माउंटेन. हाँ, दिस इज वाटर इज नॉट कमिंग इन माउंटेन्स, लेक्स, इन दरार को क्या बोलते हैं?
Guys, we are hitting up a rock once again. Our boat is going Titanic once again. इंडियन पीपल को कांड करने बहुत अच्छे लगते ना. उधर मैंने बस एक बंदे को बोला बस हाय बोल दो, तो बंदा गाली देना चालू कर दिया है. हाँ इनका कुछ नहीं हो सकता यार, हाय बोलने बोले तो काली, कांड करने तो जरूरी है हमें।
This is a call boat. This is a hand
चीप क्वालिटी बोट,
cheap quality boat.
दिस इज टाइटैनिक।
But this is nice because 30 rupees in क्या बोलते
पर पर्सन।
per person. There is minimum manageable. She's beautiful water, but there's many bodies come to and क्या बोलते
One second. Yasin bhai is saying that this water was really good, but we are the human who is destroying the water. We have to conserve the water. We have to make the water this like ponds, that we should not pour our garbage or something like destroyable materials in these waters lakes. So and we have to preserve the waters. That is only Yasin bhai wants to say, that in human festivals, I don't want to name that festival, but the peoples are coming and throwing their garbage, which is destroying the water, the aqua.
pollution.
Yeah, they are doing pollution. They are doing aqua pollution, and that's only the Yasin bhai is want to say, and that's I have to simplify it because Yasin bhai is doing parking OP. Chala do parking OP. Guys, finally we have completed our boating. So well guys, we are going in electric car now. Let's go with this brother. भैया लग रही है, बहुत जोर की लग रही है।
अबे चल बे, आगे क्यों नहीं चल रही बे?
अरे तो चला तो सही, ले तो सही।
हाँ अभी चल।
Fuck.
Like a Hellcat.